So we got the Seagull hanging out in front of Best Buy. And I don't know why, it's just this lone Seagull. We're over in Duncan. And Wendy says, we better feed this guy because I think he's waiting for handouts.
He's all by himself.
That's a happy, yeah, he's a lonely Seagull. A lone Seagull.
Yeah.
Kind of weird, eh? Usually you see them in a flock. A flock of seagulls.
To the ocean.
Usually see a flock of seagulls, but hey, Seagull. Yeah, closer to the ocean. We're in Duncan right now. He likes these, what are they called, Joe's chips? Banana chips.
Yeah. Banana chips.
That's funny. Come on, come here. I hear the train. So we're on Vancouver Island right now. Okay. There you go. Okay, Seagull. That's the Seagull's lunch. Adios.